Hello YouTube. We have a Carrier gas pack here with a bad inducer fan. We're going to try to quieten it down. Turn it on and see how loud it is to start with. Rattles the whole unit. Sounds terrible inside the house. So we're going to quieten it down. And hopefully put this new wheel on without changing the motor. So probably have to try to cut the hub off the old motor somehow. So tear it apart and see what we got. Okay guys, I've disconnected the line voltage and I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the thermostat wire. What I'll probably do while I'm doing this is pull the whole side off here, take the gas line loose, and check the heat exchanger good. Okay, visually the heat exchanger looks pretty good. I got this pulled out. I'm going to unhook the wires off the gas valve. Off of the rollout switch down there. And also unhook the inducer fan motor, because I'll have to take this thing probably to a bench somewhere to try to cut the wheel off. Okay, here's the wheel. You can see where that's out of balance. Woo! I guess it's lighter up here on top where the fins are missing. So, don't know if we'll ever get this thing off, but we're going to give it a try. Okay, we've got it cut through on both sides with the little cutoff wheel. What we're trying to do is break the actual hub. There, it's moving. Because I can't cut all the way down where I would need to without probably damaging the shaft. I may be on it a little bit now anyway. But you can see that's spread way open now. So I will fiddle with it. I don't want to bend the shaft on the motor, but I'll fiddle with it just a little more if I can get that piece off. I may have to put a relief cut in this, but I think we'll have a chance at saving this thing. Okay, with that chunk gone, let's see if I can get it to focus in there. You can see I'm all the way down the side of the shaft. Now the thing's still wrapped around it pretty good. I'm probably going to have to maybe cut another little relief in it. But hopefully we can get this thing back together and have some heat. I had to make a cut across it on the other Allen screw. It's got 2 set screws and 2 flats. But once we got it broke loose, it's going to come on off. So there's the old wheel. I'll clean this shaft up and stick this new wheel back on. Okay, then we put the new wheel on the shaft. It's got 2 flats and 2 set screws. And what I'm going to try to do is hold it back as close to the nuts that hold the bolts that hold the motor on as I can, because the backing plate in this thing is pretty rotten and I'm afraid it'll rub. But I'm hoping this is going to be a much smoother ride. So we will torque these things down good, take it back. I've got some high temperature silicone I usually just use to make a gasket on these things. Doesn't matter a whole lot. They got a drain hole down here, but anyway, we'll put some on it and hopefully have a cheap fix. Okay, I put a bead of high temperature silicone around it a little bit ago before I came out here and started cleaning up. As you can see, this backing plate's in pretty bad shape. I'm gonna go ahead and put it together. I'll test the combustion on it. Again, we're just trying to get a little more life out of her. So I'll get the inducer assembly put back on, and then I'll start cleaning up the burners. Okay, got the high voltage hooked back up. I didn't do the thermostat wire yet. All I did is put the side on, put everything back in because I wanted to check it and make sure the motor still even runs. Because if it don't, I'll have to take it all back apart anyway. So I'm gonna hook the red and the white together and see if the inducer motor itself comes on. Come on, it's trying to light. Of course, there's no gas into it, but as you can tell, it's much quieter. It's not rattling the whole unit, so I'll go ahead and hook everything else back up and see if we can't get some heat on. Okay, got the gas line hooked back up, getting ready to hook the thermostat up and button this puppy up, but I just wanted to make sure it'll burn. Hook up my thermostat wires, put the front on it, and go ahead and do a quick combustion check on it just to see where it is. But that'll be all for this video. Thanks for watching.